Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are staying safe and well. Today I'm going to make honey glazed drumsticks. Here I've already washed and seasoned my drumsticks. These are the other ingredients that I will be using: orange juice, honey, soy sauce, honey Dijon mustard, brown sugar, fresh ginger, and garlic. Stay tuned. So basically I'm going to combine all my ingredients into a bowl and then mix everything together to marinate the chicken. Now it's best if you marinate the chicken overnight, but if you can't, just let it marinate for a couple hours or so. Okay, so stay tuned. So I'm adding my honey. And you just mix everything together. Guys, so I've mixed all my ingredients together, and now I've decided to add some red pepper flakes. That's optional. And I'm going to add some of this to marinate my chicken, and I'm going to reserve some of it to make a glaze. Okay, so this is the amount I'm reserving to make my glaze, and I'm going to pour the rest into the chicken. And guys, I leave the skin on the chicken because the skin helps to keep the chicken moist when you're baking it. Okay, so I'm just going to rub this up together, then I'm going to transfer it to my ziploc bag, and I'm just going to let it sit in the fridge for, like, you know, like I said, overnight is best. So arrange the chicken and just make sure they're not touching each other. Okay guys, so I'm going to place this in my oven for like 25 minutes, and then I'm going to turn it over to the next side. Stay tuned. Okay guys, so it's been 25 minutes, and now I'm just going to turn it over to the other side, just like so. So I'll flip the chicken, and I'm just going to baste it with some of the juices so the chicken stays nice and moist. I'm going to put it back in so they can continue to cook on the other side. So guys, this is the reserve marinated that I've left over. So I'm going to boil this and let it thicken up. This is going to be my glaze for my chicken. Okay guys, so the chicken is looking good. Just gonna flip them one more time and stick it back in the oven. Guys, so the chicken is pretty much done, but I'm going to drizzle with some more glaze, and then I'm just going to stick it back in the oven. My oven is on grill, and I'm just going to let it get a little crispy on the outside, and that's it. Here it is, guys, my delicious baked honey glazed drumstick. I will put everything in the description box. Please let me know if you try this recipe and what you think. Until next time, I appreciate you guys watching. Be kind to others. One love. Guys, it's optional. You can sprinkle with some sesame seeds. Garnish. That's optional. And I'm going to add some green onions.